Hey everybody! In this video, I'm planning ahead for the interior decorating of the Spring Run kit. Before I permanently glue on the back wall, I want to make templates of the walls, ceilings, and floors for the first and second floor hallways. You'll notice that I'm not measuring anything. I'm simply putting the paper up to the wall or floor and using an expired credit card or running my hand along the openings to create creases. Off camera, I'm using an X-Acto knife and ruler and cutting on the crease. To get an exact measurement for the door openings, place a board over the paper at the doorway and use a pencil to trace the opening that you can cut out. I'm using plain white paper that we had on hand. You can also purchase white craft paper that comes on a roll from Amazon, but you can use anything like a brown paper grocery bag, or maybe you have leftover wrapping paper that you know you won't use again. Often, you'll find that the floor and ceilings have the same measurements. Just confirm that before you make that assumption. While this isn't the most exciting job, it is so much easier to do it now with the back wall off, and I know I will regret it if I don't, because these hallways are narrow compared to a regular size room. If you aren't going to put up wallpaper, now is a good time to paint your walls. Thanks for watching.